In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI to work faster and turn messy notes into clean, structured information in just a few clicks. If you use Notion for meetings, projects, or planning, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. We'll walk through a real example step by step so you can follow along and use it right away. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and choose the project you want to work on. In this example, we're using a page called Project Kickoff. This could be a meeting note, a planning document, or any page where you've written down raw information that needs organizing. The key is that you already have some notes written out, so Notion AI has something to work with. Once your project is open, take a moment to check the project details. Look at things like the project name, the date, and the list of attendees. This step is important because Notion AI works best when your information is clear and easy to understand. Even quick bullet points or short lines are enough for the AI to recognize patterns and meaning. Next, scroll down and review your notes. In our example, we have notes from a kickoff meeting, including a line that lists the attendees and their responsibilities. This is the kind of information that's perfect for Notion AI because manually turning this into a table would normally take extra time. Now, highlight the specific line that contains the attendees. Just click and drag your cursor over the text you want to transform. This tells Notion AI exactly what content you want it to focus on, instead of analyzing the entire page. With the text highlighted, click on Ask AI. You'll see this option appear right near your selection. This opens the Notion AI prompt box where you can tell the AI exactly what you want it to do with the highlighted content. Inside the prompt box, start typing your instruction. In this example, we type a clear and simple command: turn the attendees and their responsibilities into a table. The more direct your instruction is, the better the result will be. Notion AI is great at understanding natural language, so you don't need any special formatting or technical commands. After you submit the prompt, Notion AI will generate a response almost instantly. You'll see a neatly formatted table that organizes each attendee and their responsibility into rows and columns. Take a moment to review the result and make sure it matches what you want. If you're happy with the output, click Accept. The table will be inserted directly into your Notion page, replacing or appearing below the original text depending on your settings. Just like that, you've turned unstructured notes into a clean, professional layout in seconds. And that's it. You've just used Notion AI to work faster, reduce manual formatting, and keep your projects more organized. This same workflow can be used to summarize notes, rewrite content, create action items, and much more. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.